they step out of that being eternal. So, paano sila lumabas? Pag kinain yung bunga ng punong kahoy na malalaman yung mabuti at masama, pag kinain yun, lumabas ka dun sa pagiging eternal. Hindi ka na eternal, mamamatay ka na. So, in the absence of light, darkness. No? In the absence of faith, unbelief. In the absence of wrong, no? Right is wrong. In the absence of truth, false. Opposite lagi, opposite, no? After cursing the serpent, the Lord said to him, I will put enmity, sabi niya, and I will put enmity between thee and the woman. So, in the woman's seed, and between thy seed and her seed. It shall bruise thy head, and thou shalt bruise his heel. The serpent, iniwan niya yung seed niya. Yung seed, mayroong siyang seed. Meron ding seed yung woman. No? So hanggang ngayon, malalaman natin, doon